Hello everyone, welcome to you all. In this video we are going to learn what makes something float or sink. Density is a measure of how heavy something is compared to its size. If an object is more dense than water, it will sink when placed in water. And if it is less dense than water, it will float. Everything around us are made up of tiny molecules. The objects in which the molecules are tightly packed are having higher density than loosely packed objects. Let us have one experiment to know more about density. In these both glasses, normal water is taken. Generally we know and have seen here that potato sink in the water, as the density of potato is more than the water. Now add some salt in another glass. Do you know why? To increase the density of water. This time we have seen that potato is floating in the water. Can you tell why? Due to addition of salt, we have increased the density of water than potato. So it allows potato to float in it. This is just for your knowledge. Due to high salinity of the Dead Sea, a person's body weight is lighter than the density of the salt water in the Dead Sea. This increases your buoyancy and allow you to float in Dead Sea water. This is called Dead Sea because of high salinity. No life can exist in it, but most of the thing can float in it. Density play an important role to make objects float or sink. Let us know by this experiment which type of objects will have more density and which will have less density. In this experiment we have seen that metal objects like key, coins, spoon and other heavy objects like a stone sink in the water will have high density, while wooden objects, plastic objects and lightweight objects like paper, sponge, thermocol are floating in the water have less density. You can also check and find what else can sink or float. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.